Okay, so if you don't know, you can actually create this type of professional looking infographics from an entire YouTube videos that you like this are all the infographics that you're seeing right now are created by YouTube videos. So if you like any YouTube videos or you just want to insert an infographic in your document from an entire YouTube video, just like this, the iPhone infographics are created by this YouTube video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this type of infographics from an YouTube video. So for example, just go to the YouTube and click on any video that you like. So I'm going to create this YouTube video into an infographic like 11 thumbnail design hacks. And I'm just going to copy this link, go to the share option and click copy. After that, you just need to come to the NotebookLM, notebooklm.google and create a new notebook. After creating a notebook, you can upload the YouTube link here. Just click on this YouTube and paste the link and click insert, and it will start to analyze the YouTube videos. And in the right corner you can see there's an option of infographic. Now if you click on this infographic, it will start to create a infographic for you. But if you click on this pen icon, you can customize your infographic like the orientation, portrait, square or landscape. So let me just choose the landscape for this video, and you can also choose the level of detail here: concise, standard, detailed. Detail will be very much crowded infographic, or concise mean it will just make a minimal style maybe, or standard is the best way to create any infographic. And here is the describe the infographic that you want to create. You can describe what type of color or what you want to key features to be in your infographics. So one of the prompts that you can use to make a simple or make a professional looking infographic that you can use is maintain white spacing throughout the layout, reserve 30 to 40% of design as open, and uncluttered space to improve clarity. So I'll give the prompt in my description so you can copy it, and let's just click generate. And after that, it will take some time to create the infographic from this YouTube video. So this will create a professional looking infographic from an entire YouTube video that you just paste in this NotebookLM. So the infographic has been created, and now you can click on this to see the infographic. As you can see, this is how you can create a professional looking infographic from an entire YouTube video. So this was the infographic about the design YouTube thumbnails that get clicks, and you can insert it in your documents or any other project that you want. Also, you can share it, you can download it, like click on this download, start to download on your PC, as you can see. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.